Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you can see from the title of this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 7 tips and tricks that you can use to develop self-discipline. Self-discipline is something that is integral in our lives. We cannot really go far without self-esteem. So I thought I should share this video as I have been learning a lot about self-discipline, and I just thought that if there's somebody out there who needs the same lessons I've been learning, then maybe they can reap the benefits from this video. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and jump onto it. And if you guys would kindly subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like it. And if you have any question, comment or additions, make sure to leave them in the comment section below, and let's get started. The very first thing that's going to help you stay disciplined is if you have your goals written down. Writing down goals is a way that motivates you in a way, because you get to see what you're working towards. You get to see what you're gonna have at the end if you work diligently. So writing down your goals is the first habit you need to cultivate if you want to stay disciplined. And writing down goals is also something that's going to help you not forget what you really want out of life. So honestly, it's a win-win for you, because you stay motivated, you stay disciplined, and at the end you achieve whatever it is that you are looking for. Another thing you need to know is why you want to be the person you want to be. So you need to identify your why. Without really knowing why you want to do something, why you want to achieve something, it is not going to be as important to you as it would if you knew the reasons behind that. So you need to identify your why and let it motivate you to become the person you want to be, and let it guide you as to how and when you should move, and the people you need to surround yourself with, as well as how you need to work through your life. So you need to identify your why. That's the main thing that's going to help you achieve your goals, the goals that you've written down before. So taking a pen and paper and writing down a list, or making a mind map, and just identifying your why. It can be many things, it can be one main thing, but you need to pinpoint why exactly you want to be disciplined. Something that we often take for granted is making a to-do list. To-do lists are important, especially in school. If you have a lot of assignments, a lot of projects, that making a to-do list is just going to help you stay on track. It's going to help you stay on top of things. So if you were used to making lists in college or in senior school, or wherever it is that you learned how to make a to-do list, be sure to continue with that into your elderly life as well, your adult life as well, because making a to-do list is going to help you stay on top of your life even after you are done with school. To-do lists are simple tools that you can just use to make sure your life is on track. You make sure that you follow it, you are doing everything that you need to do, and this is going to help you achieve the very goals that we spoke about from the beginning. Moving on, you need to learn to prioritize. Oftentimes we don't follow through with our plans or with whatever it is that we intend to get done, because we don't know how to prioritize. We'll find somebody going to hang out with their friends instead of completing an assignment, or maybe watching television instead of cleaning their house, or just doing something that they shouldn't be doing, even though there's something that has higher importance to what they are actually doing. So learning how to prioritize is going to help you, because you will know what tasks to do first and what needs to get done so as to get you to the point that you want to be in life. Instead of just doing things that are not going to get you anywhere, you will be able to do so much more by learning how to prioritize and achieving the tasks that need to be achieved at an earlier time, instead of just procrastinating and leaving them to the last minute, where you will end up doing them in a rush and actually not doing a good job. So just learn how to prioritize. Be sure you do the important things first, and then you do those that are not important at the end of your day, and this will get you far in life. I am moving on quite fast because it's late and I need to go to sleep. So the next point is you need to reward yourself. Rewarding yourself is a way to trick your mind to believe that you doing something fun, because a reward is usually something that is fun, something that is nice, that you just throw into your life to give your mind that illusion that you are doing something beneficial to you, even though it is beneficial. But if you do not reward yourself, you will just see it as hard work. Your mind will believe that it is just hard work that's not getting you anywhere. But if you reward yourself, you trick your mind to believe that actually this is something really fun that I need to keep doing. So a reward for yourself can be 30 minutes of TV after completing a task. It can be eating your favorite piece of candy after exercising, or it can be taking a walk in nature after doing something that you dread. This is going to give your mind a fresh start, and it's going to rejuvenate your energy and just lighten your mood. And in this process, you tend to want to do more of the important tasks that you otherwise would see as hard labor. So rewarding yourself is a very important thing that you can incorporate into your life. Just do it for a few days, maybe a week or two, and you will see how this improves your daily life. The next thing you need to do is hold yourself accountable, or find an accountability partner. Doing things alone can sometimes be lonely and boring, so finding an accountability partner is a way that's going to make sure that you do whatever it is that you are doing, and you do it to the end, because then you have somebody you can be like, oh, actually I need to do this because this person is counting on me, and I'm counting on this person as well. So if I fall off, they might fall off too, and that's just not good for the dynamic. So finding an accountability partner is one way to make sure that you stay disciplined. It's going to make sure that you stay on top of your goals. And if you do not have somebody you can make an accountability partner, you can hold yourself accountable. What I used to do with the gym is I would post every day. At the end of the day, I would post a story on my Instagram of myself at the gym, and that was a way of me holding myself accountable, so that I can see in the next morning that, oh, actually you went to the gym yesterday, you need to do this again today, and you will feel better at the end of the day. So I was consistent in the gym mostly because of that, and so I am really thankful to myself for those little things that I did to hold myself accountable. Finally, you need to know your weaknesses and get rid of distractions. With people who want to achieve a healthy body, your weakness might be the way you eat. And with people who want to study, your weakness might be Netflix or YouTube or whatever it is that you do that is not productive. So you need to identify your weaknesses and find a way to deal with them so that you can be productive, so that you can be more productive with your time. You also need to get rid of distractions such as the television if you need to focus on your studies, such as social media or anything that serves as a distraction just for a little time, just so you can focus on the important things. And that is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I did filming it for you guys. If you liked this video, obviously it would mean a lot if you could like it for me. And if you have anything to say with regards to what I've been saying, make sure to leave a comment in the comment section below. And finally, if you have not subscribed, it would mean the world to me if you would hit the red subscribe button below and maybe hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And with that being said, I will see you guys in my next video.